बदला ये मौसम, लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। तू जो कहे जीवन भर, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, गीत तेरे बोलों पे लिखता चला जाऊं, लिखता चला जाऊं। मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। आजा तेरा चल ये प्यार से मैं भर दूं, प्यार से मैं भर दूं, खुशियाँ जहाँ भर की तुझको नजर कर दूं, तुझको नजर कर दूं। तू ही मेरा जीवन, तू ही जीने का सहारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा।
Hello, Gopi Dev. Happy anniversary to you. God bless you. I pray God many years come same like you have a good golden jubilee. This time we couldn't make it due to problems, but don't mind. One day we'll be together, and plenty lots of love for you and Dev. God bless you, and I'm happy that you are enjoying with your parents and with your friends. Thank you.
Hi, Auntie and Uncle. Wishing you a very, very happy 50th golden anniversary.
All the best. Best 50, and I wish you another 25 happy more together years.
Happy anniversary.
Congratulations to you, Auntie Gopi and Uncle Dev, for your 50th anniversary. Wish you all the best. We love you.
Congrats, Uncle Dev, Auntie Gopi, the most inspiring couple of our family. You all have set a very high standards. You can still see love in your eyes that keeps growing and growing. Congrats, and keep blessing us so one day we also can celebrate 50 years together.
We love you so much, miss you so much, and see you soon. Mwah.
Wish you both guys a very happy golden anniversary. God bless.
Satnam Saki, wishing you both a very happy golden anniversary. May God bless you all with lots of love, happiness, laughter together always. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you.
Happy anniversary to Dev Uncle and Gopi Auntie from the entire Midpuri family of Mumbai. We love you both. Wish you many, many more years together. You have always showered your love on us, and we love you just the way you are. Keep it up. Wish you all happiness always. Cheers.
A very happy anniversary, 50th anniversary to Gopi Di and Dev Bhau. This is a toast to all love, laughter, and a happily ever after. Congratulations to both of you.
Happy anniversary, Dev and Gopi. May God bless you and you see many more anniversaries. And I think we will miss you all this time, because of COVID-19 is the travel restrictions. But next time, maybe may God bless us to be there in Manila for the next occasion. God bless you all. Satnam Saki.
Hello Gopi, तोखे वाधायूं हुजनि वेडिंग नर्स जूं लख लख करोड़े करोड़े गुरु महाराज करे सदाई खुश रहो. God bless you.
Hi Uncle and Didi, wish you a very very happy and blessed anniversary. You enjoy your day and have a fantastic time with family over there and your friends. We are missing this great occasion, but we soon hope to meet you guys. Enjoy and take care. Love you guys. Bye.
Happy anniversary, dear Bau and Didi Gopi. Wishing you all a very happy 50th anniversary. Babaji bless you all with many, many more years of togetherness. May you with good health, wealth, everything and prosperity always. God bless you all a lot.
Hi Gopi. Hi Dev. How are things? If you really want my real opinion, when I see you, I think your age is maybe 45, 50 already. But this is your 50th anniversary. So you look young and nice and beautiful. So wish you both a very happy 50th anniversary, and may you have proceed to the 75th anniversary. God bless you both. Happy anniversary. Bye.
Okay. Hi Gopi and Dev, how are you? Missing y'all. Thank you so much for your invite. I wish I could be there. Wish you a very very happy 50th anniversary. May God bless you all with many many more anniversaries to come to celebrate in good health. My blessings are with you all. Best regards. Love you all.
Happy anniversary, Auntie and Uncle. May you have a wonderful time celebrating. Wish we could be there. Have a great time and all the best. And many happy anniversaries to come.
Say happy anniversary to
Happy anniversary.
Auntie Gopi and Dev, Uncle.
Auntie Gopi and Dev.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilee.
Happy 50th anniversary.
Happy anniversary, golden anniversary, Satnam Saki. You are the wonderful couple, and very nice couple at all. Thank you very much.
Happy 50th anniversary, Gopi Didi and Dev Bhau. God bless you. You all are the best, genuine and warm couple.
Devbhai and Gopi Ben, congratulations on your 50th marriage anniversary and wish you all the best for your future married life. I know you both since nearly 25 years. Until today, all the journey, I'm seeing you the same kind-hearted and loving nature with very positive attitude. I never seen you both anytime getting excited or denying for any help for anybody, which is very rare in today's world. And I can see the same thing, the way you brought up your children, Sunil and Yogesh, with full values of life and God fearing nature. You are like a mentor for us to how to live a married, happy life. God bless you both and give us also a blessing that we also celebrate our 50th anniversary the same way. God bless you.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए.
Hi Auntie Gopi, Uncle Dave, congratulations. It's such a beautiful day, it's such a milestone day, and I don't even know how to express what I want to say, but I really want to say a big thank you to both of you for always being there for me and taking care of me just like your own daughter. I miss you guys, I love you, and from all of us over here, we want to wish you a very happy golden anniversary.
Dev and Gopi, wish you a very happy anniversary.
Lakha lakha wadaiyun.
Wish you also a many more happy anniversary in future.
Happy anniversary to you both.
Happy anniversary, Auntie and Uncle. God bless.
Happy anniversary, Uncle and Auntie. May you have the best one. Congratulations on the milestone. Take care. Enjoy.
Happy anniversary. Take care. Love you loads. Have a great one. Lots and lots of loves from Jakarta.
Hi Uncle and Auntie, wishing you a happy 50th anniversary.
Hi Auntie and Uncle, happy 50th wedding anniversary. May God bless you both with good health and happiness. Enjoy your celebrations and hope to see you soon. Take care, God bless.
Happy 50th anniversary, Gopi and Baudev. God bless you abundantly with health, wealth and happiness. God bless.
We know Dev and Gopi since many years. They are more than a family to us. We go to Manila every year with Guruji, and they are very good hosts. They take care of everybody. They are loving and kind, full of sweet words for everybody. Today is their special day. We want to wish them a happy 50th anniversary, and may Putsat Guruji Maharaj always shower their blessings on them and many more to come.
Hi Gopi and Dev, wishing you both a very happy 50th wedding anniversary. God bless you guys. Bye.
Happy anniversary. God bless you both.
Love
Badai
you
ho. Badai.
Lakha lakha
Lakha lakha karo karo badai. Bye.